What's up, famous kids? We back again with another lit banger. And as I can see in the title, we unboxing the 11 Pro Max. You know, it's the latest phone out right now. It goes from the 11 to the 11 Pro to the 11 Pro Max. So I got this phone so I can unbox it and show y'all. So I have the 8 Plus right now, the red 8 Plus. I really like it because it's like glass and it's my favorite color. The case is clear. Well, it's supposed to be clear, but it's like a red. It's like a yellowish now. But this is how the phone looks. Sorry for the ring light, y'all. But yeah, today we have a special guest. He will be sitting here. You guys should already know him by now. We have Mika Hall. Sit down. Look, I didn't even do all that.
What's up,
we have
y'all?
Mika.
11 Pro Max 11 PRO MAX.
That is not how you do sign language.
I don't care.
PROMAX.
I don't care. Okay?
This is K.
I don't care. And I did a C, not a K. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it is. I'm stupid. I don't know. Okay, so I backed up my phone like last night because I knew I was finna do this because I don't want to wait all that long time. My phone backs up like all the time because it's like animated or whatever. I don't know what it's called. But I had this phone for almost 2 years. I got it July 2nd, like 2 days after my birthday.
On my van.
So
Yep.
we're finna
Includes the phone, you know, earpods, lightning connector, USB-C to lighting cable, you know, all that good stuff. It says highly flammable, so we gotta be careful, you know. Alright. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm not trying to be talking too much for the intro, but make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down
Bro,
below.
have you ever had one of those? You
Hit the-
like you subscribe to somebody and their intro be like their video be like 10 minutes and the first 3 minutes just be the intro like you ain't gotta say all that.
Smash the like button too and turn on the post notifications.
They'll be gonna get the description below.
Yes, like he said, which would there never be. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. And this has 64 gigabytes, by the way.
64.
Gotcha. Yes.
Hold up. Let me do this side flat. Do that side flat. Merry Christmas.
So this is how the box looks. So we're gonna open it. Look how I'm gonna put the edit in.
Okay.
Look how.
Look, it's so slick and clean. Just
Oh, the case done. I thought this was glass at first, guys, but this is not glass. It's like a gloss glass.
it look matte.
It's crazy.
Gloss.
But I don't know, like, where the camera is, that looks really glass. So then take it out. Take it out. You know, it comes with the phone, the Pro Max.
You know, they really get you with this because they got you thinking this is the
You can't
AirPods,
even
and
see.
you look to the side, you see a cord, and you like,
Yeah, so it comes with the normal AirPods. Yeah, AirPods. They're called AirPods. And it's cool because the 11 Pro has this. It's a bigger adapter, so it charges faster. It says
it
that
looks just like mine.
it's supposed to be at 50% in like 30 minutes, I think. So that's why they added this big. It was, I think, 15
And I got an
something
Android
watts.
for now.
And then it
Anyway.
comes with the normal. Well, it's not normal because now it has it looks like a USB plugs into this. So I will show you how the cord looks later. But let's just get into this phone because that's the important part right now because that's all we care about is the phone.
Look at the boxing, just ooh, make you want to slap your
Oh,
mama.
so inside of here,
It does make you want to slap your mama.
inside of
Here.
okay, it says whatever. Designed by Apple in California. It comes with the hello, with instructions, with the 2 Apple stickers, which I'm gonna use because I have stuff on my thingy.
Quit said I can have your dad's.
Okay, you can get one. I can get one. So we are going to turn on the phone. I noticed that the home button is bigger than.
Mine is bigger.
It's bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus home button. It's like the size.
There's no home button.
It's like the size of the two. I mean, not home button. Power button. is the size of like the
Where's
two
the back
volume buttons right here. So we're gonna turn on the phone.
Y'all didn't actually lick my phone.
It has the white. Sorry for the ring light, y'all, but it has the white Apple sign. You already know. You already know what the deal it
Look at
is.
that screen. It's so clean. Ooh. Ooh.
I have a
Whoa.
box around my face.
God. Sorry.
I really like how the at first, like when you see it on camera and stuff, the 3 cameras look ugly, but actually in person doesn't look too bad. Okay, so it says hola, hello, the different ways to say hi in different languages. See, hello, bonjour,
That's French right there.
bonjour. Okay, so we're gonna swipe up because this doesn't have a home button. So we're gonna press English, and then we're gonna select our country, United States. Set up manually. If you have a phone and later bring in nearby to sign in automatically. We're gonna wait, hold on. So it says if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby and sign it automatically. See, it shows it right here on my phone. Set up new iPhone. So we're gonna press continue. Waiting for other iPhone. Oh, so it says hold your phone up to the new to the new phone. Okay, guys. As soon as I got up and was finna go do something else, it said Face ID. So we finna do the face. Ooh. No, I was playing. So we finna do the Face ID. So we're going to continue so it can recognize my face. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Get started. So this is how it looks. Oh wait. It's crazy, y'all. I bet I look stupid, but it's not. Okay, continue. That was the first ID scan. That was second ID scan. I'm just doing my face in. So it already signed. I'm not signed into iCloud yet, but it already opened the phone and all. You see, guys, it has iMovie, GarageBand, Keynote, all the normal iPhone.
I just said that.
All the normal iPhone apps, I guess. So I'm gonna put in my iCloud email. Why is it such a long process, Apple? Like, come on. Okay, y'all, make a house downstairs. I just have my iCloud logged in. Like, my apps are not on here yet because that's taking a long time. But so it's weird because we have to like when you're in an app, like say we're in photos, we have to swipe up. If you didn't know, like for me, I had a button. Sorry, guys, I'm sick, but I have like a home button on here. Yeah, I have a home button on my phone, so it's like weirder and like. So to turn it off, to turn the phone off, you have to press the top volume button and the power button to turn it off. And to take a screenshot, you have to press the bottom lower volume button and the power button, and that takes a screenshot. And if you're like in an app or something, and like, you know, when you see when you look at all your tabs that is open or something, you just swipe, you hold and swipe up like that, like swipe like to the corner. Okay, see, like this, hold and swipe, and it shows you all the tabs that were open, so you can just exit out of it. My whatchamacallit up in here, my iCloud. Yeah, and also I heard that, so it's so crazy because, okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of something right now. So I'm gonna take a picture of like my trophies over here. So I will pop up the pictures in a little bit. So it's like there's 3 different cameras because there's 3 different angles you can get a picture on. So I'm finna use it. I'm finna use it right now. Hold on, I'll be back. So this picture right here is the normal perspective of a normal picture. You know, like on a regular iPhone or something, you know. This picture right here is I still have the phone holding at the same angle and at the same distance as all the other pictures. So this is a wide angle, I think, where this perspective, like where you can see more, because it's held at the same angle, but it's just at the same distance, but since it has 3 cameras, it does 3 different things. And then this at the same distance, but this one shoots at a closer perspective, so you can like see things bigger, I guess. And also a cool thing I really like is that I will pop a video right here or something. They have front, okay, slow-mo is on like all the iPhone, like regular slow-mo, like front, like not front slow-mo, like this back screen, back camera, some slow-mo, but they have selfie slow-mo, so like we can like, I can be like, make, okay, watch, a video will pop up, like, whoa, okay? So we finna, so that's the video right there. That's the slow-mo, front slow-mo. They just added that to the phone, and that's really cool. Don't mind me, I look real ugly, but it don't care. They still have portrait. They have front portrait and back portrait. On this one, they only have front portrait. I mean back portrait, not on the front, because I wasn't capable of that. And there was no front slow-mo, but I had everything else. I noticed that the Pro Max does not have a square. How this has square, if you can see it. It has square, but it just goes from portrait to panel. It has a regular Apple app. I didn't put my stuff on this phone on here yet because I just want to get this video, make this video for y'all and show y'all the normal iPhone thing. There's not really much a difference. It's just that there's a lot of features on the camera thing. And also one thing also is that when it's only for the back camera, when you are in a dim room, or like, okay, say I'm at night and I'm trying to take a picture and it's too dark because you can't see, this phone makes the picture brighter. Like, it brightens up the picture. Okay, so I'm about to take a picture with this phone and with this phone and show y'all the difference. So guys, in the next clip you will see, well, in the next picture you guys will see, I took a picture of my wall right there. So the first picture is the one is with the 8 Plus. Now the second picture is the one with the Pro Max. You can tell a huge difference. As you can see that the red in the shoe was brighter, and in the 8 Plus it's like very dark and dim, so because there was literally no light, I turned off the light and everything. But with this phone, no verifying update, it's been an update, y'all. I should have waited to update it. Wow. But yeah, with this phone, it brighten up the picture so you can see. Another cool feature, I don't think there's any cool features, because if you had an X or an XR, it's pretty much the same thing, but they added new stuff to the camera. They added shortcuts to the new update. Regular same iPhone apps. But now I'm about to do a little, what's that thing called? A montage. You know the phone. You know the phone. If you know, you know. So I'm going to put the screen protector on and the case for this phone. Yep, it's updating now, so it just turned off, you know. But in the next clip, you will see a montage or a screen protector on. So peace out, you dig. Yeah, I'm so sick. Okay, y'all. So the screen protector and the phone case is on. This is how the phone case looks. Well, it's doing its thing again. But yeah. So this phone is a pretty good phone. I recommend it. If you want to get it because it's very recommended. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down below, hit the post notifications bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you, I already said that, didn't I? I think I did, but you already know what the deal is. famous kid is out, you dig?